Kenmore Series 100 Resolving Drainage Issues. If your Kenmore Series 100 washer is not draining properly, it can be frustrating. Drainage issues can cause water to stay in the drum, leading to unpleasant odors and possible damage. Below are steps to help you troubleshoot and resolve drainage problems. Cleaning the drain pump. The drain pump is essential for removing water from the washer. Over time, it can get clogged with debris. Here's how to clean it. 1. Unplug the washer to ensure safety. 2. Locate the drain pump, usually found at the bottom front of the washer. 3. Remove the access panel to reach the pump. 4. Check the pump filter for any debris, such as lint or small objects. 5. Clean the filter thoroughly with water. 6. Reassemble the washer and plug it back in. Checking for blockages in the hose or drain pipe can prevent water from draining. Follow these steps to check for any obstructions. Disconnect the washer from the power source. Inspect the drain hose for kinks or bends that might block water flow. Remove the hose from the washer and check inside for any clogs. Run water through the hose to ensure it is clear. Examine the drain pipe where the hose connects. Use a plumber's snake if necessary to clear any blockages. Reconnect the hose to the washer and the drain pipe. These steps should help resolve most drainage issues with your Kenmore Series 100 washer. Regular maintenance can prevent future problems and keep your washer running smoothly.